Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Avon Care. This is Age Restore this is firming hand cream with collagen and elastin. So let's take a look at it. Smells nice, kind of, it's got a little bit of a florally hint on it, but yeah, you can feel that going into the skin. Obviously this is Age Restore Plus, and this is by the dermatology tested 75ml. So let's just take a look what's on the back. If you let the camera zoom in, yeah, I would say focusing. Make sure that suits you guys. Make sure whatever's in there, pause the video. Make sure you can see it's got collagen in there as well. Just helps tighten up the skin. It's made in Poland.